The first step is to create a file ready to print. I use Illustrator CS6. So first, let's go to File, New, and we're going to make a postcard size document, approximately 150mm by 100mm. As this is a file that we're going to print, we're going to leave a 3mm bleed on each side. And as we're working in colour, we'll put our colour mode to CMYK. If this were a design for a screen or video, we'd choose RGB, and we wouldn't need to have any bleed. We're going to leave the rasterizer effect on high, that's 300 pixels per inch, because we'll be using some blur effects, like the Gaussian blur. Okay, now we have our document. The white part is our document, and this red frame here behind, that's our 3mm bleed. We're now going to open our swatches, so go Window, Swatches, and we're also going to open our Layers panel. Let's select all the swatches that open by default and delete them, because we're going to create our own swatches. I recommend that you go to View and turn on the Smart Guides. This will make it much easier for us to align our objects with each other. And when new elements are created, they're created based on the elements already on our document.